Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank Q3 FY26 results, profit jumps, asset quality strengthens. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank delivered a strong Q3 FY26 performance, with profits rising sharply on the back of improving asset quality and lower credit costs. The quarter reinforced the bank's conservative balance sheet approach and steady execution in a volatile banking environment. Net profit for the quarter grew 13.76% year-on-year to 341.5 crore rupees, while total income increased 9.57% to 1,665.4 crore rupees. Sequentially, earnings momentum remained healthy, reflecting stable core operations and controlled expenses. Asset quality was the biggest positive, with gross NPAs declining to 0.91% and net NPAs improving to 0.20%. Provision coverage strengthened further to 96.08%, underlining the bank's cautious lending and effective recovery mechanisms. Lower provisions played a key role in profitability, declining over 54% year-on-year during the quarter. Borrowings were also reduced sharply by nearly 47%, improving balance sheet resilience and reducing funding-related risks. Loan growth remained robust, with advances rising 16.57% year-on-year to 50,435 crore rupees, while deposits grew 12.53% to 56,707 crore rupees. This balanced growth supported earnings expansion without compromising liquidity discipline. Capital adequacy stayed comfortably high, with Basel III CA at 30.08% and CET1 at 28.53%. The strong capital buffer positions the bank well to absorb potential stress while supporting future growth. Overall, TMB's Q3 FY26 results highlight a clean balance sheet, improving profitability, and disciplined risk management. If asset quality sustains at current levels, the bank appears well placed to deliver steady and predictable earnings ahead. Overall, TMB's Q3 FY26 results highlight a clean balance sheet, improving profitability, and disciplined risk management. If asset quality sustains at current levels, the bank appears well placed to deliver steady and predictable earnings ahead. The key question for investors now is whether this improvement in asset quality and lower provisioning can sustain through the cycle. Do you think Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank stock should react positively after these results, or is the market already pricing in this performance? Share your views in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.